Oh, shwele, shwele baba, shwele baba, shwele. Oh, shwele, shwele baba, thokozani makhahla, thokozani bogogo, thokozani bomkhulu. Igama lami uMoyane Msuza kaNkosi. Ngithanda ukunibingelela futhi ilanga namhlanje. Siloka siqhubeka njalo mbambambamba ngemfundiso, educating you so that you can understand who you really are, what's your purpose in life, ukuthi kahle kahle wena uzaleleni, why uwumuntu ophefumula phansi komthunzi elanga, why unamadlozi, you understand. So now on my last video I was talking about the forgotten ages, understand. So now iyachubeka mbijana and so that we can sizokwazi ukungena on the next chapter, you understand. So now konke lokho ke makhehla, it's all about connection between you as a human being nedlozi, you understand. It's all about how you communicate nedlozi lakho so that ukuthi nizokwazi uku-understandana, because now there are so many ways amadlozi aza ngakhona afuna ukuqhumana nathi, kodwa thina as human beings we fail to understand that, you understand. That's why most of our dreams fade away, because now we fail to connect with them in those dreams, you understand, because now we tend to reject whatever they're trying to say to us, you understand. We try, like there's this energy we have, because now we as human beings, we as amakhanda wethu agqwele ngento eziningi ehlukahlukene. Manje ke masibona into emaphupheni wethu, we tend to get afraid, siyathuka kahle kahle ngendlela eningi ehlukahlukene, singazi ukuthi kahle kahle usithuswa yini, ngoba usuka ubona ugogo wakho, ngoba usuka ubona umkhulu wakho. Ngesinye isikhathi baza ngesilwane, I understand, baza ngenhlobo yesilwane esithize ukutshengisa ukuthi thina sesizoza ngale ndlela ethize, you understand, ngoba there are rules and regulations ngale kubogogo nabomkhulu. Masebe ngale imicabango yabo nezozo zabo azisafani na the way thina siphila ngakhona. Umuntu masekayendile, maseke ngale emhlabeni kwabathulile amathambo amhlophe, ingqondo zakhe nenkulumo zakhe zahamba ziyashintsha, you understand. The way they communicate kuba nendlela enye baxoxa ngayo, yingakho kunezangoma. Izangoma zikhona so that they can assist in that category, you understand, so that ukuthi when as a human being ongazi lutho sizokwazi ukuthi manje sokuchazele ukuthi lo muntu lo usho kanjani. Ingakho kuba nabantu abathwasayo bathwasela ngokuthi-ke manje bazo-understand inkulumo yabo babamkhulu ukuthi iyaphi iqhamukaphi, bazama ukuthini. Imfundiso zasephehlweni ziqala khona lapho, from ukuqala ukucommunicate nabantu abadala, ukwazi ukucommunicate nabantu abadala. Awumane nje masongena ephehlweni bese uyagida nje bese kwenza. There are some teachings le kumele undlule kuzona so that you can understand who you are and the purpose of ukuthi your gift ukuthi kahle kahle uthwasa into enjani. You understand? So now it's very important for you as a human being to understand your spirituality so that ukuthi nawe uzokwazi ukuphokophela uye phambili, ngoba kuba nalento yokuthi-ke manje umuntu-ke angakholelwa ukufikela to a certain extent. Your blessings are being cut. You can pray for, let's say for instance, you always wanted a car. Those blessings zikhathwa ngoba inkolo yakho nayo incane. You understand? Amadlozi maweza kuwena wa-rejecta in a certain way, ekubeni wena awazi ukuthi awa-rejecta ngaleso sikhathi angithi, kodwa wena bona baqala ukuthi ngempela uyaba-reject. You understand? As ngike ngasho before on my previous videos ukuthi how you uphendula kanjani the way mabaze kuwena ngendaba zokuthi mawuphuphile. You understand? So now it's very important for you as a human being to understand the communication between wena nedlozi lakho so that ukuthi izinto zakho zokwazi ukuhamba zivuleke ngendlela efanelekile. Now ngingena kule ndaba yokuthi-ke manje thina sonke abantu baphila phansi komthunzi elanga, we have a birthmark. That birthmark symbolizes something about you as a person, symbolizes something about your life as a whole. Ikutshela indaba yokuthi wena kahle kahle uzeleni la. It's a structure. It's like it's structurekile ngendlela yokuthi-ke manje this is your life. How you live it, it's all up to you now. Your whole story is written there on your birthmark. You understand? Now, for instance, I don't know ukuthi-ke ninokunaka lento le mayenzakala kuwena. Now, there's this certain movement like enokwenzakala to that birthmark of yours when, look, let's say you have achieved something that you had to achieve at that particular time. That birthmark izokunika a sign ukuthi okay fine, you have completed a certain piece of your puzzle. You understand? Like iyachazela, like kuzoba nomdiki, kuzoba something engathi yakhipanyana at that area. Now yifine ukuthi khona into okuyenzile okuyifinyelelile emayelana nempilo yakho ekhona lapha encwadini yakho emzimbeni wakho, ngoba sonke singabantu sibhalwe amakhehla, sibhalwe like ingilosi zethu lezi nathi siyafi singazazi. Angithi ngithole mawuzalwa uyabhala ukuthi wena uzoba umuntu kanje, and then ukuthi wena ushintsha kanje impilo yakho-ke okwakho, kodwa bayakubhalela incwadi yakho iphelele ukuthi wena uzophila kanje, wena uzophila kanje. Ingakho sinama-birthmark, siyamakwa ukuthi thina wena umsebenzi wakho kulo mhlaba lo into kanje. You understand? So now that birthmark tells a story about you, tells a story about your well-being, tells a story about your whole life and what are you going to succeed or not. It tells a story about your challenges that you're going to face and how to articulate, how to fight those challenges. You understand? That birthmark, it's stored just by you lapha kuwena esichazela indaba yila futhi amadlozi akho kakhulu ahleli ngakhona. Ngithi athole ngoba in each and every part of our body khona amadlozi akhona ahleli khona la emzimbeni wethu. Yingakho siba nama-signs wabo ezokuthi manje uphathwa ihlaba, ezokuthi manje uba na those weird chest pains engathi nje ungazi ukuthi kahle kahle kwenzakala ngawo. Ama-signs and symptoms amadlozi ukuthi yebo sikhona sinawo. You understand? They always communicate with you in each and every single day of your life. So now that birthmark wena nje it's not something yokuthi manje kumele we ignore. You understand? I like to teach people about this ukuthi one day mawuphahla, find that birthmark of yours, right? One day mawuphahla, one day when ukuthi yazi ngifuna ukuthandaza ngifuna ukukhuluma nabakithi, find your corner, right? And then what you need to do so that you can unleash whatever dreams that you want, so that you can unleash the closed doors lezi ekufuna ukuthi zivuleke. The only way to do that, as mina bangibonisile abakithi, is that you need to go to your corner, right? When you masofika lapho uthatha ikhandlela lakho elimhlophe oliyelo, so that ukuthi bazokwazi ukukhanyisela, and then have a glass of water, a plain glass of water, you get. Now when you get masofika lapho ku that corner, right, uyalibamba lelo glass, you understand, and then uhlala phansi, aguqi ngamadolo lutho, uhlala phansi engathi meditate, uhlala ishina actually, and then you're gonna have your glass of water, right, and then you're gonna have your candle, right, and then you're gonna call your name, uzobiza igama lakho nesibongo sakho negama labazali bakho abakuzalayo, you understand. So now masuqedile ukwenza lokho, uzobeka amakhandlela akho phansi, and then you're gonna find that if you know where your birthmark is, let's say your birthmark is on your chest. Now uzobamba that birthmark and engathi ayiqinisa mbijana, understand, and then while you're having ubambe that glass of water, you're gonna close your eyes, and then you're gonna speak your whole heart. You're gonna call them, you're gonna speak to them, you're gonna tell them to unleash whatever that's closed. You're gonna like uzokhipha inhlungu zakho, you wanna keep up, like uzokhipha your whole feelings to that glass of water and to that birthmark of yours, so that ukuthi bazokwazi ukuthi bakusondele kahle, bazokwazi ukukhuluma nawe, bazokwazi ukukuvulela lokhu bakuvulele. Now this is sign ukuthi manje you do recognize them, you do recognize that you have something in you, you understand. It's a sign of recognition actually. So now mawenza kanjalo ke manje uyabavusa, uyabasondeza lapha kuwena, and ukhuluma nabo while ke manje uxoxa ngisho nabo. It's not like uxoxa neglass namanje, uxoxa nabakini basondeza maloku ubambe kanjalo, ukhulume ngisho kwasani konke lokhu okufisayo, konke lokhu ondlule kuwona, and understand. And masocedile uzothi danki nyabo, you're gonna say thanks, and then after that you're gonna open your eyes and then drink that water, ushaye uqede lelo glass, and then go to sleep. Now bona bazoza kuwena bazokutshengisa ukuthi okay, now we have recognized that usibizile yithi lapha, how can we help you, or bazokupha a solution, you understand, through that dream. Or if awuboni ngephupho uzobona ngempilo yakho, like literally uzobona like izinto ezenzakalayo in your surroundings, and you have to pay attention to that. You uzomangala nje something weird yenzakala, and then you need to write it down so that you can remember that. And then if I understand, uzobuza umuntu okwazi ukuchaza amaphupho, uzobuza umuntu okwazi ukuchaza ama-visions, azokwazi ukukuchazela kahle ukuthi now this is what you need to do so that you can unlock that door that you always seek ukuthi ukwazi ukuyivula, you understand. Now what I just advised you with now is that ukuthi hloniphana abantu abadala, uyazi uku-communicate nabo. There are so many ways on how to communicate with your ancestors, so that now you can always remember the dreams, so that you can always remember how they talk to you, you understand. Now there are ways on how to communicate with them. You communicate with them via ukushisa ikhandlela lodwa, kodwa not ikhandlela liwa. It's either two or more, understand. It's either communicate nabo ukushisa impepho, you understand. It's either ukhuluma nabo ngokuphatha amanzi ngezandleni zakho. That's how you communicate with them, you understand. There are so many ways on how to communicate nabantu abadala, and now when you do the right thing, they shall definitely respond to whatever that you babuza yona, you understand. Because now nabo bake baphila, nabo bake badlula to whatever le bake badlula kuyona. So now bake kwaba abantu abaphila phansi komthunzelanga, so now they do understand, you understand. We as people, we might think that amadlozi hayi khona abasinakekeli, kanti no, the problem lies ukuthi sikhuluma nabo kanjani, you understand. Sikhuluma nabo ilanguage enjani, You understand? So now it's very important to understand the communication skills so that uzokwazi ukuthi nawe nedlozi lakho likwazi ukukusebenzela ngendlela efanelekile. You understand? Ezisangoma lesi uthwasile-ke manje indaba zakho hayi khona zihambi ngendlela yazi ukuthi yaphahla hayi khona kulo. Ziningi izindlela ezokuthi ungaxoxa nabantu abadala ngendlela efanelekile. You understand? Now it's either umsamo awukho right, it's either wena as a human being awukho right. Indaba futhi ihamba ihambela nenhliziyo yakho ukuthi inhliziyo yakho uma ukhuluma nalabantu labo ukhuluma nenhliziyo yakho ivulekile or ivalekile. So now it depends on you as a person ukuthi kahle kahle lento le uyifuna kangakanani. You understand? And then now one word of advice, when you talk nabantu abadala, make sure that ekhanda lakho, in your mind, you have a clear head. Awucabangi i-boyfriend, awucabangi i-girlfriend, awucabangi ukuthi kusasa kuzoyenzakalani. You concentrate on that thing oyenzayo so that ukuthi manje nawo bazokwazi ukuthi nawo ngoba once waqabanga enye into while ubhizi uphahla nabo they shift their minds, they shift whatever whatever nje ozama ukuyisho, and then ingqondo zabo nabo ziyajika ngoba babona ukuthi wena usinakanga, why should thina sikunake? You understand? So it's very important when makuxoxa ngedolo or the way uphahla ngakhona, it's very important for wena ukuthi ukwazi ukuthi manje ushaya phansi ngedolo, you clear head and you clear heart, and then ke manje ingqondo zakho ziclear, inhliziyo yakho ayibophanga, ungena laphaya endaweni zakho u-right, uxoxe nabantu abadala and then ukhulume yonke into efisayo, and then masocedile ukuthi danki ngiyabonga, and then definitely sure bazokuphendula if uzoyenza ngengqondo nenhliziyo epure. If uzongena ukuthi hayi khona ya ungena ngokungabaza, bazokungabaza nabo. You understand? They wanna doubt you as a person. So now do not doubt amadlozi wakho, kholelwa kubona ngoba bayaphila, bakwazi ukukwenzela imanga elezi wena muntu ungakazi uyibona. So now know how to communicate with them, know how to call them, know how to praise them, because now abantu abadala abantu bokuthi manje abafuni ukuhlambazeka, abafuni ukuthi nawe bakuhlambalaze. You understand? They don't want to disappoint you as much as nawe impilo afuni ukudisappoint them. Now abantu abadala is this kind of people that they always want to stand out, they always want to be on the spotlight. So now to unleash that, you need to embrace that. If you do not embrace them, they will never show themselves upon to you. You understand? So now it's very important for you ukuthi now uzokwazi ukuthi uwa-embrace, and then now bazokwazi ukuziveza but at least ingane yethu ke manje iyaziveza, iyazithanda, awuthi simnike 1 2 3 4 5 ngoba abafuni ukuhlambazaleka. Next, they don't want any disappointment, abafuni ihlazo. You understand? So now ngaleyo ndlela leyo manje bayaziveza and then badedela izandla, kodwa mabangabaza and uma bawufihla uthi isa nabantu bazothini, definitely sure now yourself bazokungabaza. They want to doubt you and they want to neglect you as much as you neglect them. You understand? So now it's very important for you guys to understand that do not neglect your ancestors. Know how to communicate with them, know how to call them, embrace them. Definitely sure all your blessings and all your ikhalo zakho zizohamba zivele ngendlela efanelekile and zizophokophela uye phambili. You understand? So now do not cage yourself, do not cage your soul. Always embrace abantu abadala, and then definitely sure they're gonna embrace you as well. You're gonna reach the galaxies. You're gonna reach the galaxies as much as you want. You understand? Just know how to talk to them, just know how to communicate with them. Nabo abantu bake baphila, they always have the flesh nabo, bake baba ne-flesh and blood. Ngisho nalapho bakhona basanayo that flesh. You understand? Now to show that ukuthi futhi bakuzwile, there are certain animals that they like to use and that they represent. You get? So now ngesinye isikhathi uzobona intuthwane eziningi ekhaya ungathi chitho phela, hawu lento leso ukuthi kuyisana amadlozi bathi okay sikuzwile mntanami, now sidinga 1 2 3 4 5 kuwena. You see, so those insects that you see, those birds that you see endlini yakho, those small little insects that you see, the crabs, you understand? Yeah, those kind of animals eziza lapha kwena esithanda ukudlalela kwakho signifies idlozi. Mina for my side is that ngithanda amajuba. If mase ngicede ukukhuluma nabo kuba nejuba edlalela khona lapha ekhaya la jardini, that shows ukuthi idlozi lami lingizwile and likhona, you understand? Lisalungisa ke manje, lisayenza lento engicele kuyona. Or ngesinye isikhathi lingivakashele nje ngibona ijuba lingafuni ukuhamba. Ngibona ngaleyo ndlela leyo. Ngibona ngamajuba ukuthi manje amadlozi wami akhona ayaphila. Wena ungasuke ubona ngegundwane, yona ubona igundwane hayi libhizi ejaradini, hey libhizi yagijima mari alidli next. Just know ukuthi idlozi likhona, lifikile, libhizi nje alikumoshela lokwenzakala next. That shows ukuthi idlozi likhona. Liyeza ngisho ngesimo segundwane, liyeza ngesimo sezinto eziningi umangalo kuza umuntu ohluphekile athi ngizocela i-2 bob, akungena ejaradini ashiye zonke lezi ndlu lezi aze kuwena athi ngizocela i-2 bob. It shows ukuthi idlozi ngempela likuzwile ke manje, it acknowledge what you have said and asked to kulo, you understand? So now idlozi liza ngendlela eziningi ehlukahlukene and lithanda kuza ngesibuko eseyilwane, you understand? So uthi mawubona a bee, do not chase that bee away. Mawubona a spider, do not chase the spider away. Do not even kill that, because now when you do that, you're killing your own blessings. You're killing your own ancestors, you understand? Because now hilewe baza ngakhona, you understand? So now please do understand that and recognize that and do as bakutshela ngazo, understand the communication, embrace them, and uzophokopela uye phambili and be the best that you can be. So now thina sithwasele ukuthi sizokwazi ukufundisa, sizokwazi ukubonisa indlela, sizokwazi ukutshengisa. So now there will be a workshop regarding all this. Probably after September, I'll post it and tell you guys. And that workshop, I'll be talking about how to communicate with the ancestors. You understand? How to call them, how to uthi mawukhuluma nabo bavele bakuphendule nje kanjani, you understand? So now ngizobe ngicommunicate nje ngalokho, simtshengise ukuthi-ke ngizoyenza kanjani ukuthi likufinyelele idlozi lakho uma kube likude nakuwena. The topic of that day is going to be about communication, that's it, you understand? And sizoloka senza nezinye and kanjalo kanjalo. So now stay put, do subscribe, and asifundisaneni Nkosi yami, and let's do the most. Let's embrace our gifts. Let's embrace our traditions. Let's explore and go beyond measure. Let's reach the galaxies, you understand? And your name is your shield. Your name is who you are. That birthmark you have there, it symbolizes that you are the greater that you can be. You are the greatest person and the greatest gift on this earth, you understand? It simply says that. So now the only thing that you have to do, just recognize that and do as you have to, do whatever that you need to do, and I'm definitely sure you're gonna go places. Embrace your gift, embrace yourself. God love you. Amadlozi akuthanda mbamba mbamba. So ngizivala ngale ngoma yokuthi ke manje ngibiza abakithi, ngibiza like nje inosiza inyana le ngoma yakhona, yabona into ezinjalo. So ithi kuwena awulahlekanga ngempela, abakini bayakuthanda, kodwa mina ngicula ngale nje le ukuthi khalela ubaba wami emlandeni mlandeni, khalela baba 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 wami emlandeni mlandeni. Le ngoma le isho ukuthi ngibizele nabakithi basondezeni balethele la nyabadinga, you understand? So ke izingoma ziyaxoxa mntana ekhehle, sixoxa ngendlela eningi efanele ehlukahlukene. So le ngoma ithi ngisondezeleni abakithi, ngisondeleseni ugogo wami, ngisondezeleni umkhulu wami, ngiyamdinga njengamanje. Njengoba ngisho ke ukuthi khalela baba wami emlandeni, mlandeni, wakhalela ise wami emlandeni, oh mlandeni, 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 oh khalela gogo wami emlandeni, mlandeni, oh khalela ise wami emlandeni, oh khalela